Hello everyone, this is Takoa Perryman, and I'll be running through my level of this sprint. So I'll open it here from Perforce from the build folder. So my main goal was trying to do some level progression stuff in the game. So you can see there's a level at the bottom. There's a bar counter and then a little circle showing that there is a level counter. I did add bullets and then the little tick sound, so kind of a little more player feedback when you kill something. As you can see, those enemies dropped 25 XP each, and once you kill these bigger enemies, they dropped a lot more. I got to a higher level, and these levels will be used. As you can see, this is a level 3 enemy, so they're taking a lot more bullets. So you can set those levels for the enemies, but then also these will be set for weapons like this. So my AR is now at technically does 16 damage, like you can see at the top, when its base state is 15. So every level will give these random drops different weapon amounts. And if we keep going, I'm a level 2 now, and you can see this new one will do 17 damage. So we keep moving forward. I think there's a problem still with our inventory on keeping those variables, because it says 15 now. But you can see the player is progressing. His levels are progressing, which I'm hoping to do a talent tree here soon, which these levels will probably give you talents just to make the game slightly more fun. Yeah, these are supposed to be giving. I think there's a problem with our inventory of keeping the damage track. But this one, like you can see, that's a submachine gun, and its original is 7, so it's at a 10 now. But going through this little ship, kind of you get to this point where these enemies are a little harder, and it's supposed to be a little blast room. I changed some of the variables that I guess I didn't change back, but basically the point is to kind of just have a lot of engrams in place to show you that throughout the entire level, show the weapon progression and level progression. As you can see, it went from level 0 enemies in there to 3 to progressing to 5. That you could set those progressions, and then also showing off that the bullets and the tick sounds. I'm hoping that we can get a little more challenging enemies here soon, so changing these variables will make the game a little more fun with the AIs. There is that bug of the inventory system me and John are working with isn't setting some of these. So when you have a new gun of the same type, it just resets the damage. Actually, it might even. No, it doesn't. It keeps the ammo. But having those level progressions there, and then a talent tree to have our 3 different classes have a different progression, I think will make this a lot more fun. But yeah, that's what I did for my sprint. I created those 2 enemies you saw in here. One's like a sentinel robot that when seen, of course, it'll attack. One's a boss that has a small damage right now. I'm testing. I added the bullets with the little tick, and then I added levels that for AI, the player right here, and then weapons, and weapons levels go through an engram level. Once you pick up an engram, it sets it based on your level. And some of my next stuff is tweaking those variables to make them slightly better. And yeah, that's basically my showcase of my stuff.